seam uncovered. Much like Windows 1.0 needed the mouse to complete the experience, we wanted to give Windows 8 its own companion hardware innovation. What is this innovation? It's something new. It's something different. It's a whole new family of computing devices from Microsoft. Card. Let's just take a little bit of a look back at the role of hardware at Microsoft.
Microsoft's been making hardware for over 30 years. We have over 3,200 hardware patents. That's one every 3 days over our 30 years of history here in hardware.
Think about a mouse. That was the first new type of input that you would interact with a piece of software.
It was so revolutionary for its time.
Being able to work with the GUI in Word was why the mouse was invented.
A piece of hardware that was so unique, it was so hard to find, Microsoft's like, oh, we can't get this, that we're going to have to do it ourselves.
#1 selling keyboard, just so much built into it.
They just are so instrumental to how you work with the computer.
Xbox made a huge dive into the gaming market.
The same thing we did 30 years ago about making software come to life, we're doing that today with the new products.
Hit our stride for sure when it comes to innovation.
It is still about wow.
Developing products that are going to touch the customer in a meaningful way.
I think the shapes are really cool. That's the first thing that attracts me to them.
It's a constant evolution.
And that's what makes this place special. That is what drives us every day. That's why we come into work and we work so hard every day.
I'm personally very proud of Kinect. We are responsible for an awesome experience.
But wouldn't it be cool if a gaming device could do that?
We control it all, we design it all, we verify it all, we manufacture it all ourselves.
I think it's about the desire to change the world.
Well, we can do something that not many others can do.
And what I see coming out of the hardware group today just blows my mind.
As excited as I am about seeing people use our devices right now, I'm even more excited about the stuff we're developing for the future.
For all of those games. Movies and entertainment look great as well. Oops. Hang on, what? There. Excuse me just a second. Surface works great. This stand is made of the same vapor mag as the rest of the case, and it's completely integrated into the device. The hinge design is like that of the finest luxury car. And when not in use, it just fades away with this Surface. Why shouldn't we just take this Surface and make it a full multi-touch keyboard? This touch cover is not just a full multi-touch keyboard, but it's a modern trackpad with left and right buttons.
It's an incredible moment when an idea that we had after so many months working really hard turns into a product.
We brought some of the best people at Microsoft together to make this awesome device.
One of the things that really drives us isn't that, oh, what a great idea. It's what a great idea and we can build it.
The collaboration between the disciplines was outstanding.
We had a full-blown team of researchers, engineers, user researchers, industrial designers, interaction designers that all worked together.
We couldn't ask for a better team than what we have right now.
Super important to not only care about the big idea, but also to care about the smallest details.
It takes iteration to build the best device possible.
Each time we made one of those revisions, we got progressively better and better.
It took months and months and months of prototyping.
We found it pretty exciting, complex. The technology was amazing.
Opportunity to transform this device, if you will,
to transition it to the state of getting things done. Putting this kickstand in the product flies right in the face of seamless lines and getting it perfect. But we really spent a lot of time here. We knew that if we did not get the kickstand perfect, this device would not work. We could not take any chances. Take a look at the 3 hinges that you see within this device. This is a really simple example of the details of the product. These are 3 custom-made hinges. Mind you, there are over 200 custom parts built from the inside out of this product. I can now bring to life the vision that is TouchCover for this product. The vision that lets you produce content when you want it, how you want it, as fast as you've always done it. That's what this product was designed for. Let me give you one more second on this, on a little bit of the experience. The thing that was so critical for us in creating TouchCover was that it had to be 3 millimeters thin. This essentially is at odds of any other keyboard you've used and still have a great typing experience.
Panos, would you join us with the colors of TouchCover? Surface for Windows RT, Surface for Windows 8 Pro, and a handful of the TouchCover colors that we're going to have at launch. That's the complete Surface family. Thanks, Stephen. Now, that's how we feel, too, and Panos especially. Panos Panay is the leader of the team that created Surface and has some great stories and some more...